Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some definition related to independent events or dependent events. First definition is two events E and F are dependent if P of E intersection F not equal to P of E into P of F. Already in the previous video you have discussed P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F. Then event E and event F are mutually independent. So this is the condition. If this is not equal to, then this will be condition of the both events will be dependent. Second point is two independent events have non-zero probabilities of the occurrence can't be mutually exclusive. That means sometimes students confuse that events are independent, then both events will be also mutually exclusive. But no, here condition of independent, that probability should be non-zero probabilities, and those non-zero probabilities can't be mutually exclusive. And conversely, we can say that two mutually exclusive events having non-zero probability of the occurrence can't be independent. If right here, third point, three events will be independent if three events, I write here what is the three events, A, B and C will be independent if P of A intersection C will be equal to P of A into P of C. This is the definition of the by the definition of the independent events. P of B intersection, P of A intersection B will be equal to, first write here P of A intersection B, then P of A into P of B. P of A intersection C will be equal to P of A into P of C, and P of B intersection C will be equal to P of B into P of C. Now, if three events are independent, therefore this will be condition that P of A intersection B intersection C, from this relation, from above three relation, this will be P of A into P of B into P of C. This is the condition of any three events will be independent. If out of these three, if any one is not is equal to 0 or is not verified in these three conditions, if any one is not verified, then this will be not independent events. That means event A, B and C will not be independent. Now in the next video we will take some numerical problem related to this topic.